Welcome friends, I am Rahul Chimkar, working as project engineer in VNIT Siemens Center of Excellence. Today we are going to learn 1D analysis in Simcenter 3D. As the interface is very similar in Annex software of Simcenter or Siemens. So instead of opening in the Annex software of Siemens, I will open Simcenter 3D software and you can try it on both the softwares. So you will not even able to find out the difference. Just see at the top here you will find the difference in the name at the top. So now it is a time to start our actual learning process. So from this open tab, from home tab, there is a open option. If I will click on open, you will find the file wherever you have saved it. Let's say I have saved this file in training day 3. So I have an IGS file, that's why I am making all files visible. It is taking time. Unless and until the complete file opens, don't click anywhere. Excuse me. So now this is the ladder. I will convert this ladder into a 1D model for simplifying my analysis. Okay. I will make it wireframe model for simplifying the process. So now, even though it looks like a line, but this is not a line model, it is a wireframe model. Very first I have to convert it into line diagram. For that, in menu I will find a option insert curve line. I am selecting this midpoint. After drawing a one line, every one line I am clicking on apply. So there will be a different line from this point to this point. Apply. Apply. So on this channel, on one channel, I have drawn total 4 lines. Getting it? So you can see the blue line now. So this blue line will be the actual line model where I will create line elements, 1D elements. Now going to the second channel. apply, apply. Apply. So vertical lines I have drawn completely. Now it's time to draw these horizontal lines. Apply. Apply. So complete line model have been drawn. I will close this window, pop-up window. Now I have created a line diagram. Just I need to go into the pre-post environment for further analysis. Then I will create frame model, or all the frame and as well as same file I will create one time. Here you can see before that the lines are visible, blue lines, right, which I have drawn. So create new frame and simulation file. If it is asking me whether I want the idleize part file, so I am keeping it as it is. If you don't want, you can uncheck it. Bodies to visible should be all visible. In geometry we have to make change. Select this lines. OK. Solver we will use Simcenter Nostra. Analysis type will be structural. OK. So as I am going to work in linear material type, that means there is non-linearity in the material, or any sort of non-linearity is not there. That's why solution 101 linear static global constant type of solution will be useful. Remaining things are as it is. Create solution, click on create solution. So here again we need not to do anything, just go on clicking. OK. So even though this complete 3D model is visible, but we have instructed our software to use line diagram because we want to create line elements, 1D elements. So I will hide this portion because it is of no use neither for me nor for software. So what I will do, very first I will go into the frame file. There only I will be able to create elements. Presently displayed part is the same file. Same file is displayed and work file is the frame file. But I will make displayed file also the frame file. So now both displayed and work file are the frame file. Is the frame file. Now I will hide this polygon. Now only lines are visible and which are useful, right? Now I will create a mesh collector. Element family will be 1D. This collector type should be beam collector. Then here I will create new physical property. First I will give name channel. Channel. Here I will select the cross section, because see, only lines are there. We need to instruct our software which channel I want to keep here and here at any line. So I am going to select channel or create channel. So very first vertical channel I will give the dimensions. So see, previously it is in meter, I will convert it into the millimeter. So dimension 1, can you see, I am giving there 40. Dimension 2, this one, here I will give 50 or 100, we can keep 100. mm. So dimension 3 and 4 I will keep 10. Here we can see the preview. See, like this will be our channel, cross section of the channel. Click on apply. So you can see one channel will be created. When I will close this or cancel this window, it will be visible. Before that I will create another cross section tube having D1 means the outer diameter equal to 20 and D2 having outer diameter equal to 10. Okay, I will click on OK. Preview, if you want to see, you can see like this. So now channel and tube, both these two cross sections are created in beam section manager. Close this window. But even though we have not given the orientation, whether this C will be outside facing or inside facing, this is the previous one which was created in CAD file. Like whatever CAD part we have created or any CAD team supplied to us, it is regarding to that original part. But we have created this new ladder line diagram. So even though it is visible, but it's not associated with this. So tube we have created and channel also, but we have not yet chosen the material. So I will choose a steel as a material. Okay, tube 1, sorry, here I am giving the properties for channel, so here I should choose channel, and for channel also we will keep the same material. So click on OK. So channel properties are given with dimension, cross section and material. From this edit button you can edit it. I will give the name of this collector as channel. Collector. Okay. See, it will be visible here once I will create the collector. Okay. I don't know why this field is visible. We will delete this before solving. Now in mesh collectors or control you will find this 1D channel collector. Again I have to create another collector, so I will double click it or right click and edit. I need to create a new collector. Okay, before that instead of editing this, I will create new collector like this. See, from new collector 1D beam collector, same is the same procedure we will follow. Here I have already created one cross sectional property, right? Again, which is not visible right now. Okay, so what I will do, I will see in that collector only. Edit, not visible here also. Channel, tube, I will call it as rug. Material is same. Okay, rug collector. Okay, so that is changed actually, not new collector is added, so we have to add it from here only. Beam collector, rug is there, but I want new collector, so I will create here new channel. We have already chosen for the rug or tube, so again I am choosing for this channel. It is selected, giving the material, same material I will choose, steel, nothing is remaining. Click on OK. So the name will be channel collector. Okay, we have already selected channel as a cross section. Remaining things are same, so it will occur here. See, error collector and channel collector, both the collectors are created. Before that I have to check the orientation, so I will right click and not from here, I will go to the tools format, no, at the after creating a mesh we will be able to see that orientation. So I went to this 1D meshing option, click there, this pop-up window is open. Now I will select the line elements, sorry, lines, not elements, for creating the elements. So this is right now only a line. See, after clicking this, you can identify the arrows. So these arrows are not in one line, so you can check this box, select auto chain selection, so this will be in one line. Now all these are in one line. Instead of this blend pipe, we will select C-beam. If you remember, while creating cross section, this symbol was visible. Number of elements I will keep 1 as it is, and this is not for rug, this is for channel collector. So click on OK. Similarly for this second channel, the first mesh is created, again for second I will go to the mesh, 1D mesh, will select this lines, again we will click on auto chain selection, C-beam as it is, number of elements I will keep 1 only. Then channel, yes, I need this is for channel only because this is also a channel section. Cross sectional is a C, not a tube. So click on OK. So second mesh is created. Now I will create mesh for this rug. No need to go from there only. So like here only we will find the option. Once I select this, here I can change the rug. For rug there will be 3 different lines. So for first line I am selecting 4 elements. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 elements will be created, line elements. Click on OK. This first line is divided into 4 elements. Again, second, 4 elements, rug collector, apply. Instead of clicking on OK, I clicked on apply. So no need to again go here and open this window. This window will remain as it is. Now third one, 4 elements as it is, rug collector, OK or apply. So 3 collectors are added here. So now I don't need this window. I will cancel this window, close this window. Now meshing is done completely, and what was the thing which I was discussing, the orientation. Like see here you can see, but this is not associated with the actual line diagram. This was from the 3D what I can say view or solid body. This is of solid body. See, I am again hiding that solid body. So for line element I have created a channel. To see that orientation I will right click here and edit mesh color associated data. So in this option of edit mesh associated data, you will find the orientation. So what I will do, I will change it from axis. So instead of y, I will keep it in z axis. Okay. See. So I want it in z axis. Or you can check different options from here. See, it is not in z, so I should select -z. So from here also I can select it -zc. No. Yeah. So like this I want it. Now see, there is a gap between this red line, which is actual line, and the cross section. So I will make it coinciding, or this line and this point, vertical line and the cross section should coincide each other. So for that we have option specify point on section. Click here. So you can choose different points, like I am choosing this point, and say right click on right tick and go to the point dialog. So once you click this white point dialog, you will find where you want to coincide. So this vertical line I want to coincide with this point. So here, now these 2 points will coincide, and say OK. Here you can see it is done. Now same procedure for the second. So I will close this dialog box right now and will go to the mesh associated data of second mesh. now it is open. I want to make it facing outside. Minus ZC I should select. Yes, and specify point on section. Here I can specify it, clicking on this right tick, green right tick, again specifying point or point on section location. So on this section, that means the location of section where I want to place this section, C section. Here I want to place. Okay, now you can see both these points are coinciding now. Now everything is done, and this is the motto or the reason behind this video. I wanted to show how to model 1D element or 1D machine in a NX software or Simcenter 3D software. So rest is the applying boundary conditions and solving. So I hope you people might be aware about it. So we can stop here because length of videos are getting extended. I will cover that part in next video, or let's see whether in 5 minutes or 2-3 minutes I can do it. I think we should complete that part in next video only. So meet you again in next video. Till then, goodbye, signing off for the day.